Yep, once again, thank you for joining Boat Time with Kerry. Today I'm going to show you guys how to repair peel paint on a boat. This boat been sitting up north for a while. The snow has got to it, the sun has got to it, so the paint ended up going bad. So on this excited video, I'm going to show you guys how to repair peel paint on a boat. So thank you. As you can see on this boat here, paint is gone bad. You can see that we can use a razor blade to peel the paint up. So before we do any form of prepping or taping, what we're going to go ahead and do is make sure assess the job first. Make sure you guys don't put any tape on the boat unless it's necessary or you're ready to paint. Alright guys, I got myself some 320s. I'm about to start prepping this repair. I am not going to tape it yet until I'm ready to paint. So what I'm about to do some prepping. So let's finish up this prep work. The primer I'm using today is 545 white base primer. This primer is an all grip primer and it's very good. Normally I will spray my primer, but because on this boat we have to limit the amount of tape we use on this boat as much as possible. So today I'm going to use a foam roller and roll my primer. So before I start rolling my primer, I went ahead and tape off my stainless so I don't get any primer on it. I'm going to apply 4 coats of primer. I'll apply 1 coat and let it sit for a while, and then apply each coat every 5 to 10 minutes, and then I build up my primer on my repair. After my primer is dry, I went ahead and guide coated, and I'm using 320 sandpaper to sand it down with, and then to blend it with, I use some 1200 to blend in the edges. Because this boat is such in bad condition, I limit the amount of tape I put on this boat. What I did, I tried to get my bagging to stick to the stainless rail, and I try not to put any tape onto that paint, because if you do, that paint will peel again, and then you have to start the repair all over again. And try to turn your paint down to keep over the overspray, and don't worry about that overspray, because you will end up wet sanding it out and polish it out, and it will come out beautiful. Alright guys, the paint job came out very well. I like when it came out. It looked shiny, blinging out there in the sun. So what I have to do now is wet sand it with some 1200 and compound and wax it. So guys, this is my finishing product. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a great day guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.